So as you can see, as I mentioned in my last video, this is going for sale. And it's almost that time. What's up everybody, Amauris Hernandez here. That's you see my name, Amauris. So I'm gonna intend to do a vlog style today. As you saw, I'm starting my a6500. Well, it's about to be sold. And why I invested in this a6400, why I'm not using the 16 Sigma to vlog, and why I'm not going to invest in the a6600. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna give you my reason why I'm selling, well, why I'm selling my 6500. It doesn't have HLG, doesn't have the profile that I'm actively using. That's one of the main reasons, because it's my big camera. If you've been following me for a while, you know that the 6500 was my first Sony investment, and that's what got me started to video for YouTube and for client work. That's been my workhorse for the last almost 3 years now. Another reason is the flip up screen. I love to be able to see myself. I can see myself. And I have the small rig little bracket arm that you put the mic to the side. Hold on. You see right there, I can still see myself, and the mic's right there. Now I have a few things to do today, so I decided to vlog it. So now I can vlog properly. I can actually see myself, to see what's in frame and how much headspace that I have. And I'll be like, yo, what's up guys, or yo, what's up guys, you know, give myself enough headroom and stuff like that. So my reason why I'm not going to be using this lens on this camera for vlogging purposes. For behind the scenes videos as another angle, yeah, I'll definitely use this, or I'll even use the kit lens. Reason why: it doesn't have IBIS. That's pretty much the main reason. I would like the blurriness. I can do it on a tripod setup. Like if right now, if I was to put this lens there perfectly, that's not a problem. But I'm gonna use the kit lens instead because it's lighter. If you bought a Sony camera, or you know, 6000, 6300, 6500, what else? The a5000, a5100 with that kit lens, or even the 6400 if you have it now. That kit lens is good enough for me. I like to travel light. I invested into this little indie filter right there, and it's a Vario indie filter, which is a plus for me. So I don't have to be shooting at 1.4 or 1.8 or 2.8. I mean, I would love it, but 3.5 is good enough. And having this Vario indie filter by KNF, I'll put the link in the description. You want to check it out? It was less than like $20, I think. $20, $30, it was around there. For the size of this and for what I needed to do is more than enough. Definitely look into this if you want to invest into the 6400 or even the 61. What is it, 6100? All these numbers. Definitely look into this one. Use it with the kit lens if you just want to get into vlogging. It has no profile. Well, it has no profile. So I don't know if I'm mistaken. So it's like the 5000. Just a better sensor and updated, you know, technology into the camera. So pretty much the a6100 is like this camera, the a5000. More buttons and more features than this camera, but you know, better. If you do or do not know, the a6100 does not have IBIS. So use it with the kit lens. Invest in this if you want some blur, not, you know, not bump it up into like f8 or whatever the time of the day that you're shooting, the lighting situation. Right now I'm shooting indoors. I'm at 3.5. I just bumped the ISO to 6400. Oh, another major key that I forgot to point out to the 6400 is the no recording limit. You don't know how much relief that gives me when I'm shooting a wedding and my main camera is the center of point for recording a ceremony. Depending if it's a church ceremony, you know, that goes past the 30 minute mark, and that's a plus. Just put that camera there, set it there. Praise the Lord. It's good. And for interviews, anything like that, anything that I need more time left to, I could focus on as the main camera angle that doesn't need movement. That's a plus. So I'm gonna run a few errands, testing out the HLG of this camera and testing out the indie filter outdoors to see how it performs, to see what you guys think about it. We're gonna test this out. I gotta take my in-laws to the airport, clean up a bit here, but mainly for the outdoor stuff, to see how this performs with this lens. Well, with this ND filter on this lens, the kit lens. By the way, do you like this shirt? I made it myself. I'm a taco lover and I love photography, so photography plus taco equals love. I also have a pizza version right there and a coffee version right there. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description and take it to my photography store for merch. So, all right, now for the moment of truth. I still got the kit lens. Let me lower the aperture. The ISO. Right there, 100. You still see the back is blown out. Now, let's see how I do this one-handed. All right, let's test this out. Wow, look at the difference. Woo! So yeah, let me know what you guys think. The measuring meter for lighting is right now it's at 1+. Now it's going to 2 because the sun just popped up. But let's just darken this a little bit. Woo! How are you seeing the ND filter perform? Let me shoot this way. That way the sun's not all on my face, but yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. I think I'm ending the vlog here. I just really wanted to test this out. Maybe I do a little bit more drive-bying. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more vlogs, or if you want me to shoot more vlogs, let me know and I'll start that up. I'll start doing a behind the scenes vlogging type of thing for my videos. And you know, so a vlog BTS for BTS, if that makes sense. But yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. My name is Amauris Hernandez, like I said in the beginning. And you see it at Amauris. Cop your merch. Starting little by little. And see you in the next one. Peace.